Parts and functions. Cell membrane controls the movement of substances into and out of the cell. Cytoplasm, jelly-like substance, where chemical reactions happen. Nucleus carries genetic information and controls what happens inside the cell. Mitochondrion, where most respiration reactions happen. Endoplasmic reticulum is composed of interconnected membranous channels called cisternae and is connected to the nuclear membrane. May be rough and smooth. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes bound to its surface. It modifies and transports the proteins made by the attached ribosomes for use or further modification. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not bound to its surface. It modifies lipids and steroids. Golgi apparatus, also made of cisternae that are not interconnected. It takes molecules produced by the cell, such as proteins and lipids, modifies them and packs them into vesicles. Ribosomes, made of RNA and protein and are either attached to the endoplasmic reticulum or suspended in the cytosol. They facilitate protein synthesis. Vacuoles are small storage pockets formed of a single membrane layer, containing gas such as oxygen or carbon dioxide or fluid such as water found within cells. Parts and functions. Cell wall, a rigid layer which protects and provides structural support to the cell, located outside the cell membrane and comprises proteins, polysaccharides and cellulose. Cell membrane, the permeable membrane that is present within the cell wall, composed of a thin layer of protein and fat. Nucleus, a membrane-bound structure that is present only in eukaryotic cells. Its function is to store DNA required for cell division, metabolism and growth. Chloroplast, an elongated organelle enclosed by phospholipid membrane. It is shaped like a disc, and a stroma is the fluid within the chloroplast that comprises a circular DNA. Golgi apparatus, found in all eukaryotic cells, which are involved in distributing synthesized macromolecules to various parts of the cell. Ribosomes are smallest membrane-bound organelles which comprise RNA and protein, referred to as protein factories of the cell. Mitochondrion, double membrane organelles found in the cytoplasm of the cells. They provide energy by breaking down carbohydrate and sugar molecules, referred as the powerhouse of the cell. Peroxisome, also site of fatty acid in plant cells, and are involved in generating two phytohormones. Central vacuole, surrounded by its own membrane and contains water and dissolved substances. Its primary role is to maintain pressure against the inside of the cell wall. Cytoskeleton, a structure that helps cells maintain their shape and internal organization, provides mechanical support that enables the cell to carry out essential functions. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, meshwork of fine disc-like tubular membrane vesicles, part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has on its ribosomes, which are small, round organelles whose function it is to make those proteins. Animal cells are smaller, no cell wall, nucleus in center, many vacuole, cannot synthesize nutrients, and no plasmodesmata. Plant cells are larger, has cell wall, nucleus on the side, one vacuole, synthesizes nutrients, and has plasmodesmata.